Girls Who Make Stuff, and I'm Taylor.
And I'm Jessie.
Ew!
No, I don't like it. Do it again.
I'm Taylor.
I'm Jessie.
Ew!
I'm Jessie. Nope. No. Hi there. Nope. Don't.
I'm Taylor.
You don't want it to be like that. Hi, I'm Jessie.
Hi, I'm Taylor.
And this is Girls Who Make Stuff.
Woo! We wanted to tell you a little bit about ourselves before we get started. So I Googled questions. Hopefully they're interesting to you guys. If not, sorry. Okay, how'd you two meet?
We met in an improv class last summer. I signed up because I am an awkward person and hate social interaction, so I really wanted to get practice putting myself out there, not caring.
To get weird, to get scared.
Yeah.
Because it's scary to get vulnerable. I asked everybody from improv to come get a drink with me, and she's the only one that showed up, which is great because we get along so well, but also I was very sad.
When we got to class, Taylor walked in the classroom and I was like, I want to be that girl's friend.
Little did we know. We got along very
Yeah,
well.
flash forward 1 year.
And then now we're living together.
Yeah.
Okay. Why are you guys doing Girls Who Make Stuff?
We are doing Girls Who Make Stuff because we're girls.
We're girls.
And we know what it's like to feel belittled because we're girls. And we want to empower other girls to not feel that way and to embrace their creativity, embrace their weird and silly side,
Their strong side, their masculine side.
Yeah.
They can do anything a man can do. Build stuff, fuck it up.
Yeah, so anyone who identifies as a girl is welcome here.
Yep, it's a safe space to just create and come along with us.
And unapologetically be yourself.
Yeah, be weird. What are you known for?
I've always liked to draw, so I was always the girl who could draw in class. And then in recent years, I'm the puppet girl because I started making puppets a few years ago. They'll probably make appearances. What about you?
Oh yeah, I'm known for my dance. And my naps and my coffee.
Yeah.
I drink a lot of coffee. Sponsor me coffee.
Speaking of sponsors, we've talked diligently about this.
We
that
did.
We really want ketchup to sponsor us.
We do ketchup,
Just ketchup in general.
pretzels.
Pretzels.
You know,
soft pretzels. Yeah.
Wetzel pretzel. What up?
Yeah.
Any coffee brand.
Yeah.
Well, not any.
Oh.
Any advice to your younger self?
Oh my god, so much advice. I would tell my younger self to seriously, really, Jessie, you have to stop caring what people think about you and just do your own thing. And never mute yourself or dim your own light to please other people.
Don't worry about what you look like. Don't worry about what you sound like. Don't worry about how something comes out. Don't worry about perfection. Just fucking do the damn thing and fail. That's what you're gonna fail, and that's okay.
Yeah.
And you do it again. That's
Yep.
it. All right, you know us now. The insides and the outs. We're gonna get started on our first project.
What is our first project, Taylor?
Our first project is making a sign for our she shed. Yes, we gotta spice things up a bit.
It's not a shed.
No,
I
think it is.
mean, it has walls. I always
Our
picture.
shed has walls.
I usually picture sheds just like wooden structures.
Yeah,
that you
this is
store. It's an advanced.
It's an advanced shed for our advanced selves.
Yes.
Let's build that sign, Jessie.
Let's do it.
So we're gonna figure out what to do here.
Yeah. So we designed ourselves a logo for Girls Who Make Stuff, and we're gonna convert that logo into a fun little sign that we cut out of plywood.
Yeah.
So. Sweet.
All right.
So
we go
let's go in my studio and we can figure out all the measurements.
We're
gonna
printing.
move.
We're printing. I'm gonna take you on an adventure. Yeah. Oh god. It's so bright.
Welcome to my art studio.
Oh, baby.
Here's my babies.
Oh, let's look at the babies. Hi. Yay! I know.
We're running into our errors. Our first errors. Just trying to print the sign.
Yeah. So what we want to do is, we have our logo. We made it 4 feet wide in Photoshop, and we want to print it on across multiple sheets of paper. And we're having issues, of course. So we're Googling, because Google is our friend.
I was gonna say that. Google is our friend.
Okay, let me go open up the printer.
Figuring it out.
I think this might work. Okay.
Gonna take you along for the ride, baby.
This is my printer, Printy.
And she prays to it.
Come on, Printy. You can do it.
We believe in you.
Oh, that's so little. That's too little. Also, crap, I forgot to make it gray.
I say we do, taller.
Maybe we could do it across 8 pages.
This girl. Bigger.
Yeah, I think that works. Like, it'll fit the space well over there.
It's just right.
Yeah. Okay, we printed out our sign.
Yep.
Onto 4 separate sheets. What we're gonna do is tape these down to the wood. Oh, where'd my transfer paper go? This is transfer paper. Basically what this allows you to do is, if we put it under here, we trace over the letters, and there's graphite on the back of this, so it'll transfer the graphite to the wood.
Cool. That sounds good.
Someone singing? Yeah, what is that?
Sounds like someone's going.
It sounds kind of creepy. Now we get to do tracing. Okay. Alright, so we did the transfer paper. So now we've got this little graphite transfer onto our wood. So we're just going to go in and kind of clean up these lines and really make sure these lines stick out, because then we're going to cut around the bubbles.
We drew out our sign, and now we're ready to cut.
You got the scissors?
Yeah, just the.
I liked it. It was cute.
I think we can cut it in half.
Yep.
And then from there go in and do the details.
Yes.
Have you ever used a jigsaw before?
Nope. Never used a jigsaw, guys.
Do you want me to show you?
Yep.
Demonstrate first?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I'll probably have you hold it.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm just going to cut it down the middle.
Perfect.
Oh! Your first jigsaw cut!
Woohoo! All right, guys. First cut. First cut. Sweet. Okay. We're now cutting the sign. That's all I have for you. All right, let's go.
boy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, let's sand it too. Let's sand the
we
edges
gotta
down.
sand it. Never mind, we gotta sand it.
Sanding first, then painting. Crap. I don't want to sand off the...
I know.
Because we should have sanded it first, huh?
Note to self. Sand first.
Sand first.
Put downwards
Later. Have you ever sanded before?
No.
Cool. It's really easy. You just go over and smooth the surface.
Okay. Okay.
It's time to paint.
Time to paint.
I think do the white first.
Yep.
And then finish with the black.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Taylor.
Ooh, I lost 67 pounds.
No, not pounds. You burned 67
Oh.
calories. Taylor the other day said that farting burns 67 calories, and I didn't believe her, and I googled it, and it's true.
It is true.
had no
So fart
idea.
away, my babies. Which size are you?
We finished painting.
We can.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, flippy. Oh. Oh, I'll come this way. Wait.
Ta-da!
Yay!
We did it!
We did it! We're unsure if the spacing is right.
Yeah, does it say girls who make stuff or girls who make a stoof?
It might say girls who make stuff, but you know it's our first project,
Yeah.
so hey.
It's gonna work for us. Let's go hang it up.
Yeah, let's do it.
These guys already have the nails, so all we have to do is... Oh, my legs hurt.
Ay, ay, ay. Can you help? Alright. That's one for me?
Yeah. Uh-oh, you put yours on upside down.
Oh, fuck.
Zigzags. Zigzags down. Yeah.
Alright. Everybody zigzags down. Over more to the right. Little more. Yeah. We're learning, we're growing, we're really, really showing. We're learning.
Oh my god.
She got him really good. Yeah, she got him
Yep.
Yep. All right. We're pooped.
We made it. We did the thing.
We did it. Girls who make stuff. Follow us. Be our friends.
Please be our friend. Okay, bye.